Hello, this is Ufoma again. I want to show you how to create a key pair. Key pairs are used as security tools that are used to enable a user to log into an instance at the back end. So the first thing you need to do is to scroll down. Under your network and security, you will see key pairs. Select key pair, come straight to create a key pair, give it a name that you want. New key pair. You leave it at the RSA option, and then always select the .pem option, and then if you like, you create a tag. So let's create a key pair, and voila, we're done. That's a new key pair. That's it there. And for you to know, your key pair downloads the .pem file in your computer. So what you need to do is to make sure you locate where it's downloaded. Go to my downloads file, and that's my new key pair, right? So if you think you've learned something in this video, you can subscribe. It will do me a great favor. Follow me, put a comment down on what you've learned, how to create a new key pair. I'll just quickly show you how to use it. You click Launch Instances. Great, you give your instance a name. After filling all this information, you come straight down to the point you have to see where you find key pair. So here you select the key pair you just created, and that's how to use a key pair. And then you fill in the other information. If you look at my video how to create launch an EC2 instance, you will see where I used this key pair. I used the key pair when we got to this section. So this is how to create a key pair. If you feel this video is informative and you've learned something, do me well to subscribe, hit the like button so you get more short videos like this, and also put a comment, one or two below, on what you want me to a video you want me to make. Thank you. See you next time. Hello. All right, this is Ufoma, and in this video I want to show you how to gain access into your virtual computer, your virtual server. So the way to gain access into your virtual server is through an SSH protocol. And one of the videos, you will see one of my videos, how to create an SSH key pair, right? A key pair for SSHing into your remote server. So we'll go ahead straight away and launch into our server. So I'll take this new instance, right? You select your instance, that's the first thing you do. And then in your instance, and here you have your public IP. You select your public IP. You go to your terminal. In your terminal, you need to CD to the location of your key pair, and in your system, in your local computer, you need to CD into that very location from where you can SSH into your key pair. So if I ls this, I see that I have one key pair there. I have another key pair here. So, let me use this one, right? I can decide to use this key pair, right? So, what I need to do here is you use SSH, that's the protocol, in an interactive mode. Then the key pair name, .pem, always remember to put the file type. And then what kind of AMI are you using? Are you using Red Hat? Are you using Amazon? If it's Amazon, then you should be using EC2 user, right? If it's Debian, Ubuntu, you need to use Ubuntu. So I'm using Debian Ubuntu. So Ubuntu at your public IP, the one we copied earlier. And then you hit enter, you hit yes. Yes, and that's the way to SSH into your EC2 instance. If you think this video is informative and you like what you just learned, put a comment below. You do me a great favor if you subscribe and hit the like button. And let me know what you want me to create next. Thank you. Bye.